Hey guys, if you are looking for best laptops for graphic design, you chose the right video. Today, we're going to review top 5 best laptops for graphic design on market by our expert. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is LG Gram 17 laptop. LG Gram 17 is a fast and productive laptop for graphic design and development with the Windows 10 Home operating system. The device perfectly combines compact size and wide functionality. It's a graphic design laptop with a high-quality display that makes it easy to work on large projects. Test results show that the monitor covers 70% of the Adobe RGB space with an average contrast ratio of 930 units. The color accuracy is excellent, and the brightness reaches 395 nits. Comfortable connection of peripheral devices is provided by 2 USB 3.1 Type-A, 2 USB 4.0 Type-C, /Thunderbolt 4 with DisplayPort and power delivery, HDMI, and 3.5mm mini jack ports. The fingerprint reader is combined with the power button to support user identification at the system start. Now our second choice is Asus ProArt Studiobook 16. The Asus ProArt line comes with creative design specifications perfect for those who are professionally engaged in creativity, graphic designers, illustrators, motion designers. The Asus ProArt Studiobook 16 is designed specifically for graphic design work. The superb 16-inch 3408x 400 pixel OLED display with a 16:10 aspect ratio is ideal for image processing and video editing. The picture on the screen is rich and detailed. The color depth is 10 bits. DCI-P3 space coverage is 100%. The number of ports is also sufficient. 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with a speed of 10 GB/s. 2 USB of 3.2 Gen 2. HDMI 2.1, an audio jack, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. You can connect a TV and transmit an image in 4K/120 FPS quality through HDMI 2.1. One of the USB-C connectors supports DisplayPort. The Asus dial is developed with 3D designers in mind because it allows rotating models and rendering in a more efficient way. The touchpad also supports MPP 1.51 styluses, making it suitable for drawing and handwriting. Now number 3. Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15. The Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 is a great laptop featuring a revolutionary shell type. The body is made of an alloy of magnesium and aluminum, which ensures reserved strength and rigidity. The display and screen pad plus made by Samsung have excellent responsiveness. A stylus included in the package expands the possibilities of working with graphic design software. When the main display is opened, the secondary screen pad plus rises to an angle of 9.5 degrees, visually merging the two screens into one. The top bezel of the main display houses an IR camera that supports Windows Hello authentication. Sound is handled by a 2-speaker system certified by Harman Kardon. The keyboard is shifted to the front edge of the body, so the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 has a stand for a more comfortable position of hands. The device has a special panel that increases graphic designers' opportunities for working with the Adobe family software. The hardware and the Windows 10 system work stably even under heavy loads. At number 4, HP Envy X360. Although HP Envy X360 notebook has basic technical parameters and quite an average CPU specifications for graphic designers, it is suitable for solving most of the creative tasks. The touchscreen is equipped with hinges that allow it to rotate 360 degrees and can work in different modes, including laptop, tablet, stand, or presentation. The display has good viewing angles without a significant reduction in brightness. The read speed of the SSD is 810 MB/s, and the write speed is 136 MB/s. The available interfaces include USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, HDMI 2.0, and headphone/microphone combo jack. The USB Type-A supports HP proprietary sleep and charge technology, which allows charging external devices even when the laptop is turned off. At number 5, Acer Swift 3. The Acer Swift 3 is a powerful laptop packed in an aluminum case. The display boasts high brightness, deep blacks, and rich colors. Its sRGB space coverage reaches 98%. Depending on the modification, the device may be supplied with the pre-installed licensed Microsoft Windows 10 Home OS, which makes it the best Windows laptop among other budget-friendly options. This device is a great option for freelance designers who will often travel and work in different places since it will fit in any backpack. Also, it will fit beginner graphic designers who care both about the price and the technical features of their device. Additional equipment can be connected in seconds via multiple ports: USB 3.2 Gen on Type A, USB 3.2 Gen Type C, HDMI, and audio output. Acer Swift 3 supports fast charging, which allows you to fully charge the battery in 1 hour and 50 minutes. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.